Hello, do you speak English? Hello, do you speak English?
I speak a little, but not very well. I speak a little, but not very well.
How old are you? How old are you?
I am 31 years old. I am 31 years old.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Los Angeles. I live in Los Angeles.
Do you learn English? Do you learn English?
Yes, I learn English. Yes, I learn English.
Are you American? Are you American?
No, I am not American. No, I am not American.
Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. Yes, I understand.
How do I look? How do I look?
You look great. You look great.
How is your day? How is your day?
My day is good, thank you. My day is good, thank you.
What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat?
I want to eat pizza. I want to eat pizza.
How many languages can you speak? How many languages can you speak?
I can speak 3 languages. I can speak 3 languages.
Do you like to take photos? Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I enjoy photography. Yes, I enjoy photography.
How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings. I have 3 siblings.
What do you do for work? What do you do for work?
I work at a bank. I work at a bank.
What is your hobby? What is your hobby?
My hobby is photography. My hobby is photography.
What is your dream? What is your dream?
My dream is to travel the world. My dream is to travel the world.
Can you play guitar? Can you play guitar?
No, I can't play guitar. No, I can't play guitar.
How do you relax? How do you relax?
I relax by reading a book. I relax by reading a book.
What color is your car? What color is your car?
My car is blue. My car is blue.
What are you reading? What are you reading?
I'm reading a novel. I'm reading a novel.
What makes you happy? What makes you happy?
Spending time with friends makes me happy. Spending time with friends makes me happy.
Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking. Yes, I love cooking.
How often do you exercise? How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week. I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you have pets? Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have a dog.
Do you have a family? Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a small family. Yes, I have a small family.
What does your father do? What does your father do?
My father is a banker. My father is a banker.
Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel. Yes, I like to travel.
Do you have a dream job? Do you have a dream job?
Yes, I want to be a pilot. Yes, I want to be a pilot.
What do you like to do for fun? What do you like to do for fun?
I like to play video games. I like to play video games.
How many countries do you visit? How many countries do you visit?
I visit 5 countries. I visit 5 countries.
Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah. My best friend is Sarah.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza.
What's your favorite drink? What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee. My favorite drink is coffee.
What kind of music do you listen to? What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to pop and rock music. I listen to pop and rock music.
Do you use public transportation? Do you use public transportation?
Yes, I take the bus every day. Yes, I take the bus every day.
How do you celebrate your birthday? How do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrate with friends and family. I celebrate with friends and family.
Do you like surprises? Do you like surprises?
Yes, I enjoy good surprises. Yes, I enjoy good surprises.
What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring. My favorite season is spring.
Do you prefer cats or dogs? Do you prefer cats or dogs?
I prefer dogs. I prefer dogs.
How do you stay healthy? How do you stay healthy?
I exercise and eat well. I exercise and eat well.
Do you watch sports on TV? Do you watch sports on TV?
Yes, I watch soccer games. Yes, I watch soccer games.
What's your favorite dessert? What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake. My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
Do you like to dance? Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing at parties. Yes, I enjoy dancing at parties.
Do you read books? Do you read books?
Yes, I read every evening. Yes, I read every evening.
Like, comment, and subscribe for more English tips. What conversations should I cover next Daily Talk? Jobs or travel? Comment below.